In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace one cell with another in Google Sheets. Let's start from a clean slate. Open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the small grid of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps menu. Click it, and from the list of apps, choose Google Sheets. This takes you to your Sheets dashboard, where you can see your recent files. Go ahead and open the spreadsheet you want to work on. Once your sheet is open, find the cell whose contents you want to move so it replaces another cell. Hover your cursor over that cell. To avoid accidental edits, don't double-click. Just place your pointer there and pause for a moment to make sure the cell is clearly selected. Now here's the key technique. Move your mouse slightly so the pointer sits on the border of the selected cell. You'll notice the cursor change into a small hand, indicating you can grab and move the entire cell. If you don't see the hand, make sure you're on the cell's edge, not on the little square in the corner. That small square is the fill handle, and will try to autofill, which isn't what we want here. Also, hovering in the center of the cell usually puts you into edit mode, so stick to the border. With the hand cursor visible, click and hold. While holding the mouse button, drag the cell to the exact location you want to replace. As you drag, you'll see a faint outline showing where the cell will land. Position it over the destination cell, the one you want to overwrite. Release the mouse button to drop it in place. If Google Sheets asks whether you want to replace the contents, confirm to proceed. This action moves the original cell's content, and typically its formatting, into the new spot, effectively replacing what was there. If you realize you dropped it in the wrong place, don't worry. Just use the undo shortcut or the undo button to instantly revert. A couple of quick reminders as you practice this. Make sure you're dragging from the border so you move the cell rather than editing it. Take your time aligning the drop target so you replace exactly the cell you intended. And if your sheet has formulas depending on that cell, be mindful that moving it can change references. Undo is your friend if something looks off. That's it. You've just replaced one cell with another in Google Sheets using a precise drag and drop. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.